Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import browser data from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Once Edge is running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window where you'll see three horizontal dots. Go ahead and click on these three dots to open the browser menu. This menu gives you access to all of Edge's important features and settings. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Favorites. This section manages all your saved bookmarks and browsing data that you've collected over time in Edge. It's the central hub for everything you want to keep and potentially transfer to another browser. Now, within the Favorites section, you'll notice another set of three dots. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. From this secondary menu, select Export Favorites. This action prepares all your bookmarks and browsing data to be saved as a file that Chrome can later recognize and import. Next, you'll see a dialog box asking you where you want to save this export file. Choose a location on your computer that you'll easily remember, such as your desktop or Downloads folder. This file contains all your Edge bookmarks in a format that's compatible with Chrome, so keeping track of where you save it is important for the next steps. After saving the file, open your Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome launches, look to the upper right corner where you'll find three vertical dots. Click on these dots to open Chrome's main menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This takes you to Chrome's configuration area where you can customize everything about your browsing experience. Within the Settings page, search for and click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. This feature is specifically designed to help users transfer their data from other browsers into Chrome seamlessly. It supports various browsers and file formats, making the migration process straightforward. Now you'll see a drop-down menu appear on the screen. Click on this drop-down and from the list of options, choose Bookmarks HTML file. This tells Chrome that you're importing data from an exported file rather than directly from another browser that's currently installed on your system. After selecting the HTML file option, you'll see a button that says Choose File. Click on this button to open your File Explorer. Navigate through your folders to locate the favorites file you exported from Edge earlier. Once you find it, click on the file to select it, then click Open to confirm your selection. And that's it. Chrome will now process the file and import all your Edge bookmarks and browsing data into your Chrome browser. You can apply these same steps to transfer other types of browser data as well, making it easy to switch between browsers without losing your saved information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.